Okay, it says Point Caixa de Barra. So it looks like it's a little place where you can do Macau cruise, get some tickets, and sail this water a little bit. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna just stroll down that way and look at a bunch of construction across from Barra. You can see some cranes over there, and there's Macau Tower up there. Okay, there's a maritime school over there. All right, stay tuned. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so this is where cruise ships come off. So it looks like they come right through this little place, and I see them at nighttime anyways. And but I don't know if there's any now. But anyways, we're gonna walk down here a little bit. A ton of dragonflies everywhere. There's some birds as well. It's kind of cool. Got a couple birds up there. Nice. Yeah. Yeah. Very beautiful. Yeah. That's nice. That's cool. It's beautiful. Yeah. So nice. You also got a bunch of dragonflies in the air there too. So okay. So yeah, that's kind of cool. They got some bird cages there, and then you got this whole thing right there. Looks like people are also running around the side a little bit. I didn't think you could go down there, but it looks like I saw somebody. It looks like they're jogging. So I don't know if that's part of the parking lot or what it is, but and then over there is the Zhuhai China side. There's another one. Got some tiny little birds, and you got all these little birds right here. I think they're making them a little bit nervous though. Alright, so yeah, that's the Zhuhai China side. You can see a lot of construction up that way. You also would see a lot on this side too. And this is a Hama Temple, Barra, and that's Macau Tower right there. We have a lot of traffic right now. So yeah, that's the waterfront right there. So I think they call this the inner harbor, so you can see ships that'll come all the way through here. So there's a couple of them. There's a small one right there, and they'll go all the way through. And lots of construction everywhere. So you can see the construction on the Barra side. They're building a station for the light train rail to come to the Macau side from Taipa. So that's up there as well. There goes our little barge thing going through. Definitely smell the smell of fish. Strong. Yeah, you get a lot more boats that they just kind of park out in the harbor there. That's kind of go in between land between Zhuhai and Macau. So I don't know how much further we'll go. I think you might get a little good context of it already. We could definitely walk all the way down, and if we did, you can see all these little cranes and a lot of construction all the way down. So whatever they build will be kind of interesting. And I think we're going to end it right there. So anyways, we got a little taste of something else in Macau. So hope you enjoyed that one too. Chiquinha, chiquinha.